Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 4 can't even get through a meeting, it's likely due to a failing battery. Over time, batteries can lose their ability to hold a charge, especially if they've been overused or charged incorrectly. If you don't address this issue, it can lead to frustrating interruptions during important tasks and potentially more severe damage to your device. To carry out this repair, you'll need a few tools: a heat gun or hairdryer, a suction cup tool, a plastic spudger, a Torx T5 screwdriver, and a replacement battery specifically for the Surface Pro 4. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the heat gun or hairdryer to gently warm the edges of the device. This softens the adhesive, making it easier to open. Once the edges are warm, place the suction cup tool on the screen and gently pull while inserting the plastic spudger into the gap. Work your way around the device, being cautious not to damage the screen. Once the device is open, you'll see the battery clearly. It's usually located towards the bottom half of the device. Carefully disconnect the battery cable using your spudger, ensuring you don't apply too much force. Now, remove the screws holding the battery in place with the Torx T5 screwdriver. When removing the battery, be gentle, as there may be adhesive securing it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is out, take the new battery and place it in the slot, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery cable, ensuring it's firmly in place. Before you close the device, double-check that there are no loose components or cables. To seal the device, press the edges firmly to reattach the adhesive. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 4 to make sure everything is working correctly. If you notice any issues, it may be best to consult with a professional. To prevent this problem from occurring again in the future, try to avoid extreme temperatures and ensure your device is charged correctly. Keeping your software updated can also help optimize battery usage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.